Welcome to another fantastic review brought to you by Purchpad. Today, we're diving into the world of e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi Stick. The e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi Stick is a game changer in the world of versatile makeup products. This all-in-one multi-stick from e.l.f. Cosmetics is a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their beauty routine without compromising on quality. The creamy, blendable color of this makeup stick in the shade Bronze Cherry is a dream come true for those who desire a radiant look on their eyes, lips, and cheeks. One of the standout features of the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick is its sheer versatility. This one stick can be used to add a touch of color to your eyelids, lips, and cheeks, making it a perfect travel companion or a quick fix for on-the-go touch-ups. The creamy texture of the multi-stick ensures a smooth and seamless application, allowing you to effortlessly blend the color for a natural finish. With the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick, achieving a cohesive makeup look has never been easier. The Bronze Cherry shade offers a universally flattering hue that adds a healthy flush of color to your complexion, creating a radiant and luminous finish. Whether you're going for a subtle daytime glow or a more dramatic evening look, this creamy makeup stick has got you covered. What truly sets the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick apart is its practicality. By consolidating your makeup essentials into one convenient product, you can simplify your beauty routine and save both time and space in your makeup bag. This multi-stick is perfect for busy individuals who want to look put together without the hassle of juggling multiple products. In conclusion, the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick in Bronze Cherry is a versatile and highly functional addition to any makeup collection. Its creamy blendable color and ease of application make it suitable for makeup lovers of all skill levels. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast looking to experiment with new looks or someone seeking an efficient way to enhance your natural beauty, this multi-stick is sure to become a staple in your daily routine. Experience the magic of the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick and elevate your makeup game to achieve a radiant and flawless finish effortlessly. And that wraps up our review. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more awesome content. Your support means the world to us. For more information, check the link in the description.